Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about the best mid-cap healthcare stocks to buy right now. So why are we discussing the best mid-cap stocks to buy, and specifically, why are they involved in healthcare? Well, the first reason is because mid-cap stocks have huge growth runways, meaning that if you invest into these companies right now, you have decades worth of growth packed into each of these companies. The reason we are talking specifically about healthcare companies is because even if the market downtrends and we go into an economic recession, healthcare companies are extremely defensive and resilient and stable because no matter what the economy looks like, people will always need healthcare solutions. But before we officially begin, don't forget to go and annihilate that like button right now, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you are new, and now let's get right into it. The first company is Organon or Organon & Co, ticker symbol OGN, and this company provides various healthcare solutions and even some medical equipment specifically designed for women's health. An analyst from Raymond James, when they began coverage on the stock, gave this company an outperform rating with a price target of $33. The company also has a strong leadership in their overall market segment within the $40 billion women's healthcare category, which is anticipated to grow over the long term very aggressively. The company also was set to generate low to mid to single digit revenues over the next 10 years, meaning this company has a huge growth runway ahead of them. Up next, let's talk about DaVita Inc., ticker symbol DVA. DaVita delivers dialysis treatments to individuals in the United States who are suffering from chronic kidney failure. The company runs multiple kidney dialysis facilities, and they also offer laboratory services in outpatient and dialysis centers. According from the professionals that are currently reviewing this company, they believe that this company is undervalued right now, and a Cohen analyst even increased his overall price target from $76 up to $90 while maintaining an outperform rating, meaning that this company as well has a large growth opportunity as time progresses. So always make sure to do your own research or minimally put this company on a watch list. Up next, let's talk about Karuna Therapeutics Inc., ticker symbol KRTX. And this is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that specializes in the development of various innovative drugs for individuals suffering from neurological and psychiatric disorders. And how it seems that people's mental health continues to deteriorate as time goes on, this company is going to be a main beneficiary of that current negative trend, and hopefully this company will be allowed to treat people suffering from these disorders. An H.C. Wainwright analyst even maintained a buy rating for this company, but he did decrease his price target down from $320 to $300. But even with that being said, this company does look like they have a very positive growth trajectory ahead, so I want to make you aware of this company before it booms sometime in the future. Next up, let's talk about Roivant Science Ltd, ticker symbol ROIV. And this is another healthcare company that utilizes their technology to enhance drug development. So what does that mean? Essentially, they are allowed to co-develop various drugs, making them even more effective. For instance, they recently entered into a global licensing agreement to co-develop cancer immunotherapies, which is very positive because who likes cancer? Let's focus on what this Citi professional has to say about this particular firm. They believe this company is undervalued right now, and they kept a buy rating on it while saying that the company should be worth $14, which is an increase from their original price target of $11. So, when professionals and experts increase their overall price predictions for companies like these, it should give investors a large boost of confidence that this company is headed somewhere positive in the future. Up next, we have Inspire Medical Systems, ticker symbol INSP, and this company specializes in medical technology in regards to creating minimally invasive remedies for people who suffer from sleep apnea, both domestically and around the world. The company has brought in rather impressive earnings and revenue results recently, beating estimates by millions of dollars. And this is so positive that a Mizuho professional even commented that this company is a buy rating right now, and he gives them a price target of, get a load of this, $300. However, if that sounds too expensive for you, make sure the brokerage that you're using allows for share slices or fractional share investing to where you could invest into this company for as little as $1. Now let's talk about Apellis Pharmaceuticals Inc., ticker symbol APLS. This is a commercial stage biopharmaceutical company that is focused on the exploration, advancement, and marketing of therapeutic compounds. These compounds are designed to treat diseases that are related to inflammatory and autoimmunity. And we have two major analysts covering this company. For instance, a Wells Fargo analyst suggested that the company should be worth between $90 and $100 per share, while a Citigroup analyst reiterated their buy rating on this company with a price target between $88 and $91. But regardless about who's right, clearly this company still has large upside potential to it, especially if you decide to invest into their stock early on, such as right now. But what about the top 5? What are the top 5 on this list according to this article? Well, coming in at our number 5 spot is Intellia Therapeutics Inc., ticker symbol NTLA, and I can't wait for you all to tell me how I am butchering some of these names. This is a genome editing company that focuses on the development of curative therapeutics. If we were talking about small cap companies, I would naturally bring up BioNanogenomics and other companies like that. This company has a huge amount of upside to it, considering that right now it's trading for just $36, but professionals believe it could surge up to $66 over the next 12 months. That's why a Canaccord analyst gave this company a buy rating and a $66 price target. So if you haven't already, feel free to look further into this company because genome editing is going to be huge in the future. Next, we have a company whose ticker symbol is BHC. This company has massive upside potential. This is another healthcare company that develops, produces, and even commercializes various pharmaceutical and medical devices, as well as over-the-counter products in a very wide market. However, their primary focus is in eye health, gastroenterology, and dermatology. Recently, they brought in $2.2 billion, which outperformed Wall Street's projections by around $60 million. Right now, this company is trading rather cheap at just $7 per share, while experts believe this company could literally quadruple in price up to $29 as their fair value, meaning that this is absolutely amazing. Next up, in our top 3 spot, we have ticker symbol LNTH, which operates globally, and they are also involved in the development of the production and sales of diagnostic therapeutic products. They treat a range of conditions, including heart disease, cancers, and other illnesses. And of course, heart disease and cancer, as well as I would say diabetes, are some of the largest markets a healthcare provider can be involved in. A Truist expert commented on the firm's share price target of well over $100. This expert is so bullish and positive on this company that they increased their price target from $94 up to $115, which is awesome. They also clearly have a buy rating for this company because many professionals are very bullish and positive on this company's and the stock's future growth potential. In our top 2 spot, we have Prometheus Biosciences Inc., ticker symbol RXDX. This is another biotechnology company that is currently in the clinical stage of development. According to this article, the company is focused on identifying, creating, and selling innovative treatments for a range of inflammatory bowel diseases. This would include Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and systemic sclerosis, which is associated with interstitial lung disease. A Credit Suisse professional set a price target for this company of $200, and some of the companies on this list literally are fairly valued. However, because these are mid-cap companies, they most certainly can grow into large-cap companies, meaning that even if they are fairly valued now, if you buy them now at their fair value, they will make you profits over the long term if you are a long-term investor. By no means am I advocating to buy one or any of these stocks, but rather there are some amazing stocks on this list that will add stability, resiliency, and give you profits over the long term. So always make sure to do your own research. With that being said, let's talk about our number 1 pick, which is Tenet Healthcare Corporation, ticker symbol THC. This is a healthcare services company that operates hospitals, surgical centers, and other healthcare facilities. The company offers a very wide range of healthcare services, including diagnostic imaging, laboratory services, and rehabilitation services. A Cantor Fitzgerald professional has an overweight rating for this company, and he set the price target to $73. Now, the order in which we went over these companies is not necessarily the order I would put them in, because there are some gems that we mentioned earlier in the video, and instead of telling you which ones that I personally have bought from this list, you should always make sure to do your own research to make sure these companies align with your own risk management policies and other variables that you may have that I may not. However, I will tell you that I own 4 companies that are on this list, and I believe that they have a huge upside potential in the future. So with that being said, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Remember to go and annihilate that like button right now. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next YT video.